Welcome dear children to the Rajkumar College Rajkot. This is Form 4 Computer Science Chapter 9 textbook exercise we are going to do. Children, we have already started with the brain developer page number 80. Question A, B, C, D. We have already discussed with our online classes, and even a video is been put up. I'm going to share an answer key regarding this in the ERP also. Answer key will be having brain developer page 80 question A, B, C, D and E. Even the answer the following. So today we will start. We are going to do the question answers. Fine. So the first question, let us start. What is a presentation? Right, a presentation is a collection of slides arranged in a systematic order that displays information along with graphics, sound and animation. Now children, I have already told you in the online class that the next coming video, that is tomorrow on Saturday, I'm also going to teach you how to put sounds. Okay, so tomorrow's video, how you will put sound in the presentation, I will teach you. So a presentation, what is a presentation? It is a collection of different slides, okay, and they are arranged in systematic order, like 1 2 3. It is in a systematic order that display information along with graphics, sound and animation. What is a slide? A slide is like a page of PowerPoint presentation that displays some information related to the topic. I repeat the answer. A slide is like a page of a PowerPoint presentation that displays some information related to the topic. I would like to just elaborate these two answers by showing you an example. Just see. Now this is question answer. This is your slide. Okay, now what is the slide? Sorry, what is the presentation? Presentation is nothing but the collection of slides, right? It is the collection of slides, and from this collection of slides, it is arranged in systematic order. See, 1 2 3, right? So this is called a presentation. It has graphics. Okay, you can see I have done slide design, right? It has I can also put animation in it, and even I can also put sounds in it. So that is called a presentation. Now what is a slide? Slide is like a page. This is a page, right? And what does it contains? It contains some information. Fine. Now let us resume the slideshow. Next slide. Question 3. What is a placeholder? A placeholder are the dotted or hatched mark borders that are part of most slide layouts. These boxes hold title body text or objects such as charts, tables, pictures, etc. Right? What is a placeholder? A placeholder are the dotted or hatched mark borders that are part of most slide layouts. This box is what can you put in this dotted boxes? I can put text, I can put some charts, I can put some table, or I can put pictures, right? I'll just show you just after this question. Which tab contains the new slide button? Home tab contains the new slide button. So let us see again the example of it. Okay, I already kept one slide for you. See, this is the very older one of the video I have made about the difference between the inkjet printer and all this, right? So we have just seen what is a placeholder. See, when I'll click on this, this is a placeholder, right? This is a placeholder. Now from the layout, okay, home tab, this is the layout. I want to change the slide. See, I can do this. Okay, see, the layout of the slide has changed. Control Z I am doing because I don't want to change it just now. So you can see this layouts. In this layouts you can have the this layout we already seen last Saturday. To content I have changed that, right? From the normal one I have done this one. Now see, these are the different layouts. Fine. In this you can even put charts and table and etc. I'll take one this example. See, here I can put a chart, I can use insert table, right? So in this dotted box, okay, in this dotted box it will allow me to put charts, even the small videos, okay, clip art I can insert. I have to click on this and it will allow me to insert a clip art, right? See, I've clicked it. From here you can search and you can put the picture. So this is a placeholder. Question number 4 was that what is a which tab contains the new slide button? Okay, which tab? Home tab. This is home tab and it has new slide button, right? Okay, see, there is one question. It is in true or false that whenever I want to insert a new slide I have to press Control N. It is not Control N, but I have to press Control M. See, I have in the last slide I am pressing Control key and M key. M for monkey. Okay, see, Control M will add a new slide, but if I press Control N, no, then it will open a new presentation for me. Okay, so that true or false was false. It is Control M which allows you to insert a new slide. Again I am going back to slideshow and see the last question. What do you understand by a slideshow? Right? Let us see. MS PowerPoint provides the option of combining all the slides of a presentation into a slideshow. It is just like a picture in a photo album. It displays all the slides in a presentation one by one on the screen. So now let us see the presentation. Okay, now which one is that? This is the one. Okay, now I would just like to do the slideshow. By there is a shortcut key F5. Okay, I'll press F5. Now see how many slides I am having. 9 slides, right? I want to see this 9 slides on a big screen and one by one after another. Fine. So I will press F5, or from slideshow tab you can see from beginning, from current slide. This we have already seen in the live class, right? So I'll do with the beginning. I can do from here with the beginning, or see it has come. What it has come? Slideshow from beginning, F5. I can click on this or I'll press F5. So this is my slideshow. Display all the contents of our slideshow one by one on the screen. See, this is one example of a slideshow I have taken. Okay, I'm just showing you one example. Fine, from the another slide. I'm going back to my slide of question answer. So this was your 5 question answers that were left out for the exercise of chapter 9. I'll just repeat once again. What is a presentation? A presentation is collection of slides arranged in a systematic order that display information along with graphics, sound and animation. What you can add in presentation? You can add graphics, means the design, clip art. Okay. What else you can add? You can add sound. Even I can animate it. Animation means I can give a movement to that slide. What is a slide? Slide is nothing like, it is a page. Okay. What does it contain? It displays some information related to the topics. Next is, what is a placeholder? A placeholder are the dotted or hatch mark borders that are part of most slide layouts. These boxes hold title body text or objects such as charts, tables or pictures. Question 4. Which tab contains the new slide button? Home tab contains the new slide button. What do you understand by a slideshow? MS PowerPoint provides the options of combining all the slides of a presentation into a slideshow. It is just like the picture in a photo album, right? How we have a photo, we have an album where one by one pictures come. When you keep on moving it, you can, when keep on changing the page, right? Photograph. In the same way, PowerPoint presentation also, slideshow is nothing but just showing one by one screen. That's all for today, children. You can just recall this. There is even a soft copy I'm sending for the question answers and blanks for all the chapters, chapter 1, 2 and 9. Okay, I'm sending the answer key, chapter 1, 2 and 9. You can go through it. Thank you and have a nice day.